Hello everyone, it's Alison here from learn2tradecrypto.net. It's getting a bit late here in the UK and I can't be bothered getting out my lighting equipment for this video. So if my face goes dark, just focus on the content. And I just want to talk about Vechain today, Vechain price prediction for 2021. This is just towards the end of June. We still have a long ways to go. For many of you who will be wondering, if you're new to this channel, I use the opportunity here to talk about the technical and fundamental aspects, very, very simple ways we actually invest in cryptocurrency. That said, I'm not an investment advisor, and whatever information you get here is only for educational and informational purposes only. However, we have been very, very successful. We, as in me and members of my Telegram channel, who I also try to teach these very simple methods of trading cryptocurrencies, okay? So if you're new on this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, because when I get to 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving out $100 in cryptocurrency. If you want it in Vechain, I'll be happy to send it to you in Vechain. And also when I get to 10K subscribers, I'm going to be giving out a Ledger Nano S. So talking about Vechain, many of you might ask, what is Vechain? If you do a simple Google search, you will see that Vechain is a blockchain platform designed to enhance supply chain management and for business processes. Long story short, it is a cryptocurrency with a use case. This is something you need to be aware of when you are looking to invest in cryptocurrencies, okay? If you go on CoinGecko, you will find that this coin itself has got massive following here. You can see 187,000 people actually like this coin on CoinGecko. The current price of Vechain is 7 cents from a high, all-time high of 28 cents as at April 19th of this year. Now, 7 cents to 28 cents represent a 4x increase, but I'm going to show you why I believe that Vechain would fly above this all-time high to new highs using possibly just Elliott wave analysis or using my equidistant channel to show you. So let's get on to the chart I have prepared here. And as you can see, we had Vechain beginning of this year at just 1 cent. So Vechain actually did a 28, almost 30x this year alone. In the first 4 months of this year, Vechain went from 1 cent all the way up to the high of about 28, and that's almost 30x. Imagine if you caught this early. Now, this is the kind of thing I do for members of my Telegram channel, where I try to get them into these moves early. So in terms of Elliott wave analysis, you will see that if this is 0 and this is wave 1, we are now in wave, we have just finished the retracement wave 2, and we're heading for wave 3, which I believe is going to be much more than 28 cents. Now, if you wanted to try and project where this price is going to get to, you can actually use Elliott wave trend-based fib extension to try and do some profit projections. That there, and make that sorry, make that stuff like that comes here, and I'm going to make that white. 1 second, make that black so we see. Okay, so if we did that, you can actually do some projections using the Elliott wave Fibonacci trend extension, and you'll see that from here to here, which is the previous high, onto here, will give us the trend-based Fibonacci extension. Okay, let me make that slightly lighter. Okay, and then we can begin to project these levels here. So this is about 50 cents. If it gets to 168% extension from here, Okay, that is even breaking out of this channel I have here. And then you can see 200% extension is 58 cents, okay? So these are all measured targets for Vechain, okay? Now, are we in a good position to buy? Because my strength for my Telegram channel, me and my members of my Telegram channel, is I try to get them in early. So if I take out this extension showing you potentially Vechain getting to 48.50 cents and almost 60 cents here, if I remove that, I will show you that Vechain is in a buying zone. I only teach my students and members of my community only to buy after a retracement. So how do we then know that Vechain has actually retraced? Again, if you take up your Fibonacci retracement tool, you go from here up to the highest point so far, you will see that Fibonacci, this Vechain has retraced 78.6 of all this move is retraced 78.6, okay? And where are we landing? We are landing at the lower diagonal support of this equidistant channel, and it has formed a double bottom on this channel. This is very bullish for me. Again, if we take this horizontal line and drop it here, you will see that this previous zone of resistance is now turning into support. Okay, so there are multiple confluence factors that is telling me that this Vechain is ready for a move. Also, we find that price is above the point of control, and we see that we just want to see some more volume building up here. Now, this doesn't mean this price is going to take off, but I would like to see a situation where we can buy the breakout of this wedge here. Okay, we can buy the breakout of this wedge. If you put this here, you will see the wedge straight away, right? You can see this triangle here. So this is a good buy zone, in my opinion. I have on my blog, I want to go on my blog, I have what I call the 5 crypto commandments, learn crypto commandments for you to come and have a look at, things you should follow when you want to trade crypto. If you follow the rules here, like for example, rule number 1, which I always insist on, saying that you buy only crypto that you believe in. When you buy this coin at support after a retracement, even if the price drops, you buy some more, okay? And you wait for it to rise. It's a very, very good project. You have seen a lot of followers. This year alone is done over 700% in 1 year, right? Good follower, good following, social media following, you know. And you also have, you know, it's an amazing project, okay? This is the kind of project you want to look at, and we are at a very, very good buying zone. Even if you buy and price goes down, you hold it until the price of Vechain rises to a point which I have marked out before, okay? So it's Allison here with a quick price prediction for Vechain and why I believe this is a good point to buy. Because of all the points I've mentioned, you can rewind the video and see exactly the points I was trying to make and why I believe it's in the buying zone, and also why I believe the measured targets are probably around 50 to 60 cents if we move away from this zone, okay? I know I've been having a terrible retracement as well. Also, one more thing to point out, if you look on this volume profile here, you can see these yellow and blue lines here, there is very little resistance to this price flying back, at least all the way back up to its previous all-time high, okay? So all the volume is at the bottom. This is like a B-shaped volume profile, okay? So these are the kind of simple methods I use to analyze coins. I don't believe in very complicated trading theories. What I do, it works. And also on my blog, you're going to see some of our recent results as well. I make this kind of calls in my Telegram channel where I post these trades. The whole aim is to try and get you into these big moves before they happen, okay? You don't want to use the fire brigade approach. You want to be able to prepare, because trading is 95% preparation and 5% execution. So I will be taking up positions in Vechain because I believe it's a good point to buy, and I'm going to hold it until it gets to my profit target. It's Allison. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, if you like this content, to subscribe. And also, it doesn't cost you anything. But when I get to 5K subscribers, I'm going to be giving out $100 US in crypto, if you want in Vechain, I'll send it to you. It will be sent to one of my lucky subscribers who leaves a comment below any of the videos I choose at the time I get to 5K subscribers. Even better, when I get to 10K subscribers, I'm going to be giving out a Ledger Nano S. So subscribe, it does help the channel, and it helps us to spread the word about the amazing work we are doing trading cryptocurrencies. Once again, it's Allison. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.